So good morning, it's the 14th of April and it's Easter morning. Happy Easter to everybody and hope everybody's keeping safe. Have a nice weekend. So today the single seed challenge is going to be potted up. Looking quite good. This was the tomato Tigerella that we planted one seed in a big tray and then we potted it up to this tray, and as you can see it's already started to produce some shoots, runners, which can be easily removed. So we're going to pot this up rather dry. We're going to put it into the bigger pot. So let's go. So this is the next pot, just slightly bigger. Next move on. I was thinking twice whether to put it up to this pot or just go straight in the ground. But as it's my only seed, I am going to look after it a bit. So I'm just literally putting a bit of soil in here. Squeeze, squeeze, out. There we go, it's rather dry. Has got some roots. So it's going to go into a bigger pot as we speak. It can actually go a bit deeper than that. There we go. And then just filling with compost. And I'll give it a water. And that's the next step. There we go. So this is the single seed challenge 2020 update. And it's Tigerella tomato. Sorted. I'm just going to go back in the polytunnel with all my other tomatoes. Let me give you a quick tomato update. Back in the tunnel. So this is a quick update of the tomatoes that I've got in the tunnel. So a quick update on the Gardener's Delight tomatoes. As you can see, the runners are coming. So it's now a daily procedure to come in, check the runners. But these are doing okay. These are the random ones that grew in the bottom of my base. So this is my single seed challenge, and this is an update from the previous one where I potted it up. These are in the bigger pots now, and as you can see, just started taking off the runners in the elbows here. And it's looking quite healthy. So today we're going to transfer it into one of these. But I'm not using this one. I'm using the special single seed challenge pot. So this is going on the top of here, and I've been watering this daily to get the water down into the soil. And in the middle of here is some tomato grow bag. So literally just making a space, try and get it deep as I can, and then it's coming straight out. As you can see, the roots have already started forming on this pot, so it's going to go straight into the final spot. So there we go. This is the veg in one bed. So that's the tomato Tigerella planted. So we will water this now and to watch it grow. Sorted.